What is hacking? Hacking is the unauthorized access to or control over computer network security systems for some illicit purpose. How hackers operate. People, not computers, create computer threats. Computer predators victimize others for their own gain. What are the types of hackers? Black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and gray hat hacker. How do hackers do hacking? Through cracking of passwords and codes using the password cracking algorithms programs which gives access to the systems. What code do hackers use? Python is the most since it is object-oriented, which makes it faster to write. Who is the #1 hacker in world? Kevin Mitnick. What are some forms of hacking? Phishing, bait and switch attack, keylogger, denial of service attacks, clickjacking attacks, among others. Is hacking easy? Fortunately, it is not difficult. How will you know if I've been hacked? Check the accuracy of your personal accounts, credit cards, and documents. Are there unexplained transactions? Questionable or unauthorized changes? If so, dangerous malware installed by predators or hackers may already be lurking. How to protect yourself? Don't access personal or financial data with public Wi-Fi. Check out the description for more in-depth information on hacking. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more and let us know some of the topics you'd love to learn in 100 seconds.